Hi, my name is Sydney Jackson, and this is my presentation of my ordered protocol. The questions that were asked, firstly, was how might your teachers react to being given a protocol to graphic organizer to help with data dialogue and discussions? Um, so I know, for instance, just for my school and knowing my team members very well, knowing the staff that is here, we do this kind of thing collectively or collaboratively multiple times throughout the school year. We gather data, we share it back and forth, we talk about instructional strategies, and we meet at least once a month, every month. So these kinds of protocols here, I like this one because it can get my thoughts into it. And this is something that I have actually shared with my principal, and she really likes this protocol as opposed to sharing back and forth the other stuff that we were doing. So I think that the other staff members would react very well to this. And how could your protocol be adapted to work with different subjects and or groups of people? Okay, so this kind of protocol could be used across any kind of grade levels. You do not have to, because with this one, you do not have to use like state test. You can use any sort of test in order to improve your instructional thing. Say you close a unit and you're at the end of your unit and you give your unit test or whatever you're doing, and you kind of look at the progress that the students are having, and you sorry, you are able to put this into a data and then look at what we have here. So this can be used, for instance, with the arts. If the arts wanted to do a unit and they looked at the final thing of what the students have given to them, then they can go in and look at their progress and their growth and be able to improve the instruction. This can be used based off of any subject area that there is. Okay, and how could your protocol, oh wait, how might a graphic organizer help teachers with the data analysis process? Okay, so if I come down here, I'm a visual learner. So data like this helps me to really kind of put it into context as to what we are. So I like to look at things like this. I know that other teachers are also visual learners. That way we can kind of see like where we are compared to each other every year. So thank you very much. Hopefully I stayed under 3 minutes this time. And thank you.